Good Friday afternoon. Howard Burns with the latest on the winter storm that will be affecting us this coming weekend, and we're tracking it into the St. Louis area where they could maybe get a foot of snow. Some of the upper level part of the storm spinning back here in western Kansas and Colorado, where they're seeing some snow in the eastern half of that state. Now, the warnings and advisories extend from the Midwest right into our neck of the woods in Virginia, even parts of Maryland. Now, we've got St. Mary's County, parts of the lower eastern shore with winter storm watches. Not quite Fauquier, but Culpeper, Rappahannock, down through Fredericksburg, South King George, the Northern Neck, down to Richmond and Harrisonburg and Charlottesville. And the Weather Service around here issues those watches when they believe we could get 5 inches of snow or more, or in some cases could be less snow, but if we have a wintry mix of snow, sleet, freezing rain, and we may see some mix down south. Snow map's been updated back in the 3 to 5 range, if you will, for the Washington Metro. Less when you head toward Howard and northern Anne Arundel and Baltimore. They're 1 to 3. But south and west of town, this is where that 5 to maybe even as much as 8 inches would be possible. I think the 8 would be back in this neck of the woods with some of the higher elevations as well once you get past Orange over toward Harrisonburg, Charlottesville, Madison, those areas. So, yes, a respectable snow. Time-wise, looks like it'll be hitting us best in the afternoon and evening. As far as the odds of snowfall in the immediate metro, 10% chance less than an inch. So it looks like an inch is a lock. In fact, 1 to 3 is pretty likely, with 3 to 6 now being the most likely at 45%. Greater than 6, only about a 10% chance that would happen the way things are looking at the moment. So the cold air is in place. We're going to see the clouds thicken up and start to move in tonight. They'll thicken up in the morning on Saturday. Snow toward Roanoke early on Saturday. Lunchtime, some lighter snows, maybe Route 15 west, spreading over us as the afternoon wears on. Flurries and light snow developing. There could be some minor accumulations towards sunset, but I think travel for the most part will be okay in the afternoon. Tomorrow night be the heaviest snow, I think, from 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. Sunday, but you'll notice some of that mix trying to get into St. Mary's County Sunday morning, parts of the Northern Neck. So if this happens, those accumulations down there could be held down just a bit. As we get into Sunday afternoon and evening, the storm will pull away with the cold in place. That means we're likely not just to have delays and cancellations Sunday morning, but I believe some schools will delay or cancel as well as we head into Monday morning. That's the very latest on what we're expecting for the winter storm as of this Friday noon. I hope you have a great day and a great weekend. I'm meteorologist Howard Bernstein.